I hear you. Winter driving can be really stressful, especially at the end of a long week and in the dark. Luckily, there are a couple of things you can do to make your winter driving safer and less stressful. First up, maintain good distance around you. Keep a 2-second traveling distance when you're driving at 50 kilometers per hour. Take 3 seconds at higher speeds and 4 or more when visibility is bad, like at night, or when traction is poor on ice and snow. Next, anticipate black ice. You can expect to find this thin layer of invisible ice anywhere that hot vehicles idle, like at traffic lights or stop signs. The heat from the cars melt the snow and ice, and then it refreezes so thin that it's nearly invisible. Be especially careful in areas that are frequently in shadow, the bottom of a hill, under a stand of trees, or beneath an overpass. Also be careful on bridges, where air travels over top and underneath, making conditions colder than surface roads. Another tip, master hills. Hills are often icy, and you have to be able to judge ahead of time if you'll be able to get the whole way up at a steady pace. Accelerating can cause you to lose your ability to steer. And don't forget about getting downhill safely as well. Try to avoid braking too hard or too fast, which will lower the front of your car and put you at risk of going into a 360, which is not good. Last tip, and this one's kind of obvious, watch your speed. Don't rush. You're going to the cottage to relax, so why not get started in the car? If you go slower, you'll feel less stressed and you'll get there safely.